This is Nicholas Fenner with the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi, with our weekly weather briefing looking out through the middle of next week. Important updates with this briefing. We are in the peak of spring severe weather season as we move into the beginning of April. There is a slight risk for severe thunderstorms on Sunday evening into Monday for our area, with an additional chance for severe thunderstorms possibly developing by Wednesday into Thursday of next week. So, as mentioned, we are moving into the peak of spring severe weather season. The end of March and the beginning of April each year is the peak for average numbers of tornadoes and hailstorms in our area. We do have a chance for showers and thunderstorms trending upward as we move into this weekend with an initial disturbance, then a slight risk for severe thunderstorms Sunday evening into Monday with the next system. And then looking ahead into the middle of next week, we have an active weather pattern bringing us additional chances for possibly severe thunderstorms around the Wednesday to Thursday time frame. Looking at the regional view for tomorrow, Friday, March 28th, there is a marginal risk for severe storms just to the west of the area, but we could see a few of those stronger thunderstorms move into portions of central or northeast Louisiana during that time period. Our main concern at this point is Sunday evening into Monday with the next system, which is bringing a slight risk for severe storms to our forecast area. The primary concern here is the Sunday evening time frame, where storms will be developing in our area, in especially the northern portions of the Delta down through southeast Arkansas and northeast Louisiana, and then moving southeastward overnight into Monday morning, affecting portions of southeast Mississippi into the early afternoon hours on Monday. These thunderstorms could produce damaging wind gusts, hail up to golf ball size, and possible tornadoes. But as typical with severe weather this time of year, hail and wind will be our primary hazards. Looking at the probability, this is not the official outlook from SPC, but this guidance is highlighting where the chances are greater for severe weather to occur near any particular location. By the time if you go into northern portions of the Mississippi Delta region, over into southeast Arkansas and down to northern Louisiana, we do see an increased threat for severe weather in those locations and a lower risk by the time you get to southeast Mississippi. There is also a low chance, about 10%, for significant severe weather to occur in those areas of greater concern to the northwest, with significant severe including hail that could be greater than 2-inch in diameter, 75-mile-per-hour type wind gusts, or a strong tornado. Then looking ahead towards the middle of next week, our main period of concern there will be about Wednesday into Thursday, the way things look right now, though confidence is less certain on timing and locations. But pretty much most of the area has at least some risk for severe weather during that time period. This is still several days away, so be sure to check back for updates as we begin to outline areas and impacts and timing. Rainfall amounts through this next 7 days look to average about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. This will come with thunderstorms, though, so expect amounts to be, spotty heavier than that, maybe a little less. But any heavy thunderstorms could always pose a localized flash flooding threat at this time of year. Summarizing those weather trends here as we lead up to each of our severe weather events, kind of Sunday afternoon, and then again as we head Wednesday and Thursday, temperatures will trend warmer, with afternoons reaching into the 80s by those days. And then looking at our weather chart here on the bottom of the image, much greater chance for thunderstorms, including severe thunderstorms Sunday into Monday, and then also by the time we move from Wednesday evening into Thursday. Looking ahead a little bit, the Climate Prediction Center's 6 to 10 day outlook shows continued chances continued favorability for above normal temperatures and precipitation. And if we look out at the 8 to 14, kind of wrapping up our week 2 time period, again, continued favorability for above normal temperatures and near normal precipitation. So this stormy pattern that we are in with the chances for thunderstorms every several days will likely continue into the upcoming week ahead. In summary, we are in the peak of spring severe weather season, so make sure you are continuing to stay updated with forecasts. Make sure you've got your plans made. If weather looks to be worsening in your area, we do have those chances for showers and thunderstorms trending upward into the weekend, with a slight risk for severe thunderstorms Sunday evening into Monday as our primary concern, and then also looking into the middle of next week at our possible next storm system, bringing another shot for thunderstorms, possibly severe, Wednesday into Thursday. That concludes our weekly update. If we have any additional updates to the forecast, they'll be posted on our social media pages and our website throughout the week ahead. Be sure to follow along there, and if you have any questions throughout the week, send us a message or give us a call here at our office.